Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Annie Sweet Home Treat. So guys, in today's video we'll be making Nigeria jollof rice, a quick jollof rice and delicious jollof rice. Guys, let's see how we make this jollof rice. If you just tuning in, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. Thank you to my old subscribers, my new subscribers. So guys, let's get started. These are all the ingredients we'll be using for this jollof rice. Don't forget, it's a simple recipe. Hi guys, if you're still watching to this time, thank you so much. So guys, you have to fry all your ingredients together, your curry, your thyme, your onion, your garlic and ginger. Fry very well, okay? Thank you so much to all my subscribers. To my new subscribers, I want to say thank you. My old subscribers, thank you so much and God bless you. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. Stay back and enjoy this simple, delicious Nigeria jollof rice. After adding your tomato paste, you fry very well. You add your fresh tomatoes. Mine, I boiled it before adding it. Then you put all your ingredients, your bay leaf, your cube, everything. Then you cover to done. Let it done and let it dry out all the water. As you can see, the water here has dried. You see the stew is giving. Now we go in with our chicken stock. I have chicken stock in the fridge, so I added it to my jollof stew. At this point, we are going in with our wash rice. Mine, I wash it with hot water, or you can parboil or wash and pour it like that. All you have to do is to mix it together and cover for it to done. Please don't add water to it. If you really want to get that sweet jollof rice, then you cover to done. At this point, guys, we are cooking it with the heat. Remember, we did not add water to it. And also, if you have a foil paper or any clean nylon that you know it can resist fire, you can cover it with your rice because we are cooking it with the heat. You can still add water, it's your choice. But mine, I did not add water. I cook it with the heat. And I bet you it comes out very, very nice and it tastes delicious. guys, cook on a low heat. Before I forgot, cook on a low heat. Don't put too much fire so your rice will not get burnt. If you are still watching to this time, thank you so much and God bless you. Where are you watching me from? Drop it on the comment section. Our food is ready, guys.